Hello everyone. You can see over here. This is a plant of bitter gourd, and another name is bitter melon. Bitter melon. It is called bitter melon, and especially lot of people call this bitter gourd. And somewhere you can see uh, flowering will come soon. Flower will come soon in this vein, and somewhere you can see flower, and the leaves are in you can see leaves are in lobed. You can see over here, you can see, I think 7 lobed of this plant. This plant especially grow in open field in my place, and this is a different type of variety of bitter gourd plant. You can see vein of this plant. It's too long and has occupied lot of space. And you can see over here fruit of this plant. This one is a little, but if you may have seen in the market larger than this. So this one is a smaller size variety of this plant, and this plant is seen mostly in the open field. People like eating vegetable of this plant and this fruit as well. You can see. If you want to grow this plant this way, I mean, so you can grow in your farming, but this will produce a small fruit. I would say that this is a wild species of bitter gourd plant. So fruit are different. You may have seen in the market larger than this. So you can have vegetable of this plant. I mean, you can use as a vegetable. If you have in your garden, and if you found this plant next to your home and somewhere else, so don't forget eating vegetable fruit, fruit of this plant. You can see over here. So this is a amazing plant and amazing vein as well, which has been given by the nature. So we should benefit it. We should take benefit of this vegetable. This plant grow in the rainy season especially. There is a lot of plant exist in my place, so that's why I thought why should not show you. So this was a bitter melon plant. If you found this video helpful, so you can subscribe my channel. I will keep uploading video like this because I like nature's plant. I will keep uploading video like this because I am also a nature lover. So you can see this is a unique plant which I have ever seen. You can see flower are in yellow color, and you can see 5 petals of this plant. You can see, and you can see as well over here. So you can have vegetable of this plant. I am pretty sure if you eat vegetable of this plant you will be healthy. Absolutely, it's right. So thanks a lot, and don't forget eating vegetable of this plant, and I will come soon with more videos. Till then you take care and thanks a lot.